Today is Tuesday, June 27th. This is the 1976 one-year only brake Hydrobooster. This is for my friend Mike Gentry in Kansas. And the unit has been completely disassembled, fully restored, the spooler valve replaced, the bores precision lapped, all of the seals changed, and then it's been tested for hydraulic integrity to make sure there's no leaks. And the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado Hydrobooster is a one-year only design, changed in 77 and thereafter, although they are interchangeable. The 76 is much more powerful, and it's depicted by the much larger casting with the emergency spring-loaded unit as opposed to the gas-filled injector. So this is a one-year only design, unique and specific for the first year where they introduced the Cadillac Eldorado with the 4-disc brakes and the Hydrobooster. And what we have is a continuous hydraulic fluid circuit that originates from the power steering pump, feeds into the booster, then dribbles back through the upper relief valve to the reservoir, and continues dissemination of the hydraulic fluid down to the power steering box. Okay, so this will be going out to my friend Mike Gentry in Kansas. As soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorado, over 375,000 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items overall, through 78 for the Eldorado. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items such as these heavy-duty Hydroboosters, started in 1976, as well as the predecessor vacuum-based vacuum assist boosters for the preceding years of 75 all the way through 1959. Today is Tuesday, June 27th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.